In this video, we're going to see how to load data from Excel file. First thing you need to do is right click on this database name and then go to tasks, select import flat file and then click on the next. So here you need to select the file path, click on the browse. I have the file in this sales folder, but it is not showing up because I have saved the file in .xlx format. Before loading, I need to change it as .csv or .txt files. Okay, let's go to the folder. I'm going to open this file and save as .csv. So I'm going to name this as sales actual format and then save as type. Click on this drop down and select CSV comma delimited and then click save. In this folder you can see the new file that we saved is Microsoft Excel comma separated values file. So we're going to use this file next. So it is automatically showing in the list of files here. Select that file and then click open. After that, click on the next button. Gives an error saying that this file is being used. So we have opened this file. So before loading the data, we need to close this file. Click close button, click OK. Now click on the next. So here is the preview of the data that is present in this Excel file. Then click next. You can see these tables and verify the schema. We can change if you want to assign anything as primary key or any rule, and then click next. So the table name would be sales actual format, and then click finish and then click close button. Now if you see the list of tables in the sales summary, there is only one table sales data. Just click on this refresh button. Now you can see the two tables, that is sales actual format is